Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Avenue, Metro Border City. Today we're taking this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 Lariat. The exterior color is white, and under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side we have 19-inch aluminum wheels from Goodyear tires, as well as color match handles and mirror caps. This 2021 F-150 also comes with a remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lock tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly featuring power locks, power windows, as well as mirror sensors and door storage. Make your way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control options on the left and our medium hands-free options on the right. Just above being a rearview mirror, although at cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2021 F-150, you can see it has 134,934 kilometers on it. As well as over our center face, there's the options available such as our audio, phone integration, navigation, favorites, apps, settings, and features, which is below being climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating of the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats, cooling seats, and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 Lariat, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.